How do you put your home on the market? There are two ways to put your home on the market. You hire a real estate agent or sell it yourself. In this video, we're going to discuss working with a real estate agent to position your home on the market. If you haven't already viewed my video, check out How to Sell Your Home. This will help you prepare your home for sale. Hiring a real estate agent gives you a peace of mind, helps you list your home for sale, and endeavors to get the best price for your home. This is where the fun begins. Hi, my name is Herbert McGurk. I'm a real estate agent for Social Impact in Beverly Hills, California. Thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe, comment, or like. How do you put your home on the market with a real estate agent? In California, there are brokers and real estate agents. Real estate agents are under a brokerage or broker and licensed with the state. When using a real estate agent to sell your home, you will need to sign a listing agreement that will be used to list your home on the multiple listing service in your area. The listing agreement is your contract with the real estate agent or brokerage to perform the services outlined in the listing agreement. So, where do you find the right real estate agent to sell your home? The best way to find a real estate agent is to ask friends and family who would refer. You can also do your own research and look for an agent in your area. Now, here's a few things you should know about real estate agents. Number one, they protect your privacy because it's important your financial information stays private. A real estate agent is obligated to keep your information confidential and has a fiduciary responsibility to make sure your interest comes first. Well, what about negotiating skills? Well, let me ask you, would you gamble with a table of card sharks alone and assume they have your interest at hand? A real estate agent will point out that you have more bargaining chips than you realized and prevent you from giving away the store. Ultimately, you want to work with someone that will guide you through the process seamlessly. I suggest you interview several real estate agents to get an idea of what they have to offer. There is no wrong questions to ask a real estate agent. The more questions you ask, the better you will become familiar with the process. Here's a few common questions. Number one, what's the best price for my property? Pricing is key in selling your property. There are many strategies, and your real estate agent should give you a responsible explanation. Pricing your home too high will sell your neighbor's home, and pricing it too low will leave money on the table. Make sure they have a qualified answer that makes sense. Number two, what is your strategy for selling homes? Well, this will differ with a variety of real estate agents. They should be able to give you steps needed to sell your home and solutions for any challenges. Make sure you understand their strategy and agree with their well-defined outcomes. Number three, how long will it take to sell my home? Well, properties can sell in days, weeks, and even months, and it's best to have at least a 6-month contract. They'll give you plenty of time to sell your property. If you need longer, this should be based upon your own expectations and market conditions. Number four, what are the average days on the market in my area? Well, it's important a real estate agent is aware of the market conditions and can clearly tell you what you can expect after placing your property on the market. This will help qualify real estate agents' experience. Number five, well, where will my property be featured? Well, you want to know how much exposure the agent will give your property. Make sure the agent will expose your property locally through their company, social media, and target buyers that are looking for a property like yours. Number six, what happens if the property doesn't sell in 30 days? Well, there are two things that you need to know about selling property, and that is motivation and the price you put on the property. Make sure the agent's answer fulfills your expectations. Number seven, what is your commissions? Commissions are completely negotiable and usually between 5 and 6%. Be careful about getting a discount broker that will perform at a lower quality. Number 8, what do you suggest I improve this property? Well, if you upgrade your property, great. And if it needs improvements, consider doing a few things that fit your budget and timeline. An agent's answer should tell you how much they know about selling homes. Are they giving you good advice? Telling you just what you want to hear? Number 9, what will help selling my property by maybe rearranging the furniture, or should I stage it? Well, make sure they suggest decluttering and depersonalizing your property if necessary. And a realtor should consider what's the best option for appealing to the potential buyers. Number 10, how often will we communicate once the property is listed? A minimum once a week at every time there is a showing or your property has an open house. Make sure your realtor keeps you informed every step of the way. Okay, so you found a realtor. Good job. Signing agreement. This is what's included in the listing agreement: your address and description of the property, the asking price, list of sellers and buyers' duties, broker's fee and commission, list of personal properties that are included in the sale, like a TV, washer, dryer, stove, refrigerator, and anything attached to the wall. List of personal property that is not included in the sale, such as TVs, chandeliers, new appliances, or prized or antique fixtures you want to take with you. Terms of mediation and arbitration. Contract expiration date. Signatures, both parties. I know this may seem like a lot of information and things to consider. Your realtor will guide you through the sales process. This will allow you to focus on your next moves. You now have a realtor in place and a listing agreement signed. There is one last very important step. Get professional photos for your home. There is no question. Pictures tell 1,000 words, and if you want the photos to translate into the highest price for your home, it is extremely important that you use a professional photographer. A realtor hires a professional photographer to make sure everything is amazing in the eyes of the potential buyers. After pictures have been taken, reviewed, and chosen, it's time. Your realtor will now submit your property to the multiple listing service. The moment your property is listed, the clock starts ticking. Be ready for open houses, broker opens, and showing appointments. The first 2 weeks of your listing will generate the highest amount of attention on your property. You are the new kid on the block. Therefore, agents and buyers want to know if your property is the one they have been waiting for. I hope you enjoyed my video and wish you all the success in selling your property. My name is Herbert McGurk, a real estate agent for Social Impact. I give 10% of my commission to a charity of your choice in your name for every sale we complete. Please contact me if you'd like to know more about my real estate services. And if you like my video, please subscribe, comment, or like. I'll see you on my next video.